everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got Pretty Obsessed for you, and this is the January box. So if you're new to Pretty Obsessed, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But for more information and to see more on their website, etc., then I'll add a link down in my description. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up description and more details and links and things will be listed down there. So Pretty Obsessed is a UK beauty subscription box. It offers two types of boxes. You've got the premium beauty box, which costs £14.99 and contains 5 beauty products and £3.95 postage and packaging on top. And then you've got the luxury beauty box, which costs £24.99, contains 10 beauty products and also £3.99 on top as well. My box is the luxury one, so altogether I pay around £29 for the box. This is the second month I've received it and I have now cancelled it. I was a little bit underwhelmed with the first box. I was expecting it to be more luxury. There were some nice products in there, but it just felt that nothing connected. It wasn't a theme going on. It was like I had a few different lipsticks in different shades, and yeah, it was just a little bit bizarre. You'll have to see what my thoughts are on this month's box, but I did actually cancel before I received this box because I just thought nearly £30 a box is just a bit too much money, really. I wanted to see what it was like for the first few months. First impressions count, and unfortunately with this box, it wasn't a big wow box for me. So all the products in the boxes are full size. When you sign up, you get to fill in a little beauty questionnaire, and that just makes the box a little bit tailored towards your preferences, like your skin tone and skin concerns and things like that. So I think that's it. For more information, as I said, check out the links below. So let's open up this box and see what we've got inside. So that's what it looks like there. Got a little leaflet here. And these are all the products. I'll just move that mask out so you can see there. So this leaflet is exactly the same as what's in my first box. It just goes on to saying about refer a friend and product information, saying that they've had a lot of requests of people asking for leaflets inside the box detailing what they're getting and things like that. And it says, bear with us, it's to come in the future. And then it's got information about dispatch and shipping, which is between the 16th and 22nd of the month. So that's the only information in the box there. Nothing relating to the fact that it's a January box or a little note from the owners of the box, the company. Nothing like that, so which is a shame. I think that's a little small touch, but it just makes it feel more special, doesn't it? Especially as this is a luxury box. So the first item in the box is a face mask, and this is by Vitamasks, and this is a diamond gold mask made with real gold and diamond, and it's brightening. That's what it looks like there. This is a Korean sheet mask. Vitamasks is a lovely company. They do a load of sheet masks, and we receive a lot of their sheet masks in different subscription boxes. But yeah, their masks are really lovely. They are really nice. But on the back, all the information is English, so easy to follow. Yeah, it's something I use. It's something I will continue to use, but I've got a huge selection of them now. I do like them, but it's not like, oh, wow, it's a sheet mask. That sounds really sarcastic, doesn't it? That sounds really awful. But yeah, it's a nice product, but not like a really exciting product to receive them. Only because we get them all the time. That's the only issue. So that's the first item. Next, we've got a concealer blender by L'Oreal. Can you see there? I'll take it out and show you. So it is to blend underneath the eye. I like the idea of it. I do like the idea of it. I wonder what it'd be like when this is dampened down, where you just get a big bulbous sponge there. But yeah, no, that's quite nice. That is nice. I'm sure I've seen them though for when L'Oreal, they had offers on, I don't know, a year, 2 years ago maybe, or is it the actual sponges? It might be the actual just face sponges, not one of these, where if you buy, say, 2 beauty products from the L'Oreal range, you get a free beauty tool, something like that. That's what springs to mind anyway, but I'm not sure if you can still buy it or not. If I can find information about these products, I'll pop them up on the screen as well as their prices as well. So as we go along this video, you will see that, which you've probably seen with the mask. But no, I quite like that. That is a little bit different. I don't own that, so it'd be interesting to see what that is like. So second item. Next, you've got a shower gel by Bubble Tea. I do love these. They are super, super fragrance, like really gorgeous fruity floral smells. So I got lemongrass and green tea, and it's stimulating shower gel, and it just says infused with essential oils, and it's 200 ml. So this is the full size versions. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, look, see. So yeah, really happy with that. So like a shower gel. Next, I got a product by Style London, and this is a banana setting powder, and this is a full-size product, and the information just says ultra soft setting powder, paraben free, mineral based, vitamin E and cruelty free. So I'm going to leave the packaging on there because it's plastic covering on there. I'm going to leave that on there because it's nothing against the brand or anything, but banana setting powders just don't suit me. My face is too pale. I've tried banana setting powders in the past and they just don't do anything for me. They make me almost look kind of grey, which is really bizarre. But so no, I'm going to pop that into a little box that I'm going to give to a friend in the next week or two. So I'm sure that she would love that. So not for me, but I know a lot of you do like banana setting powder, so it's nothing to do with a brand as such, it's just my personal preference. So there's that. Next we've got an item by Steve Laurent, and this is a lip oil. I know we have Steve Laurent in quite a lot of subscription boxes, and yeah, some of the items are really nice, so really nice. So I don't know if I've had a lip oil though. Do you know if I've had a lip oil? Have you been watching me that long? Do you think, yes, I can remember the time you had a lip oil, Claire? If you do, I'd love to know. It's in shade Orchid, so it's got a little pink tone to it. This looks lovely, actually. This looks really, really nice. I have got a lipstick on that I got in a Jour box that is, doesn't want to come off. It is a super, super stained lipstick, so I'm having no transfer on this whatsoever, which is brilliant. But I don't want to push luck. I don't want to rub it in there. I'm just dotting. That feels really, really nice. It's just added a bit of shine to my lipstick. That is really, really nice. So, but yeah, I really like that. So we got a lip oil. Next I've got a product by Makeup Club, and this is a matte lipstick called Snake Bite. Now, when I opened this box up earlier on, I had a look online. I was thinking, I've never heard of this brand before. Never heard of it. So I just had a bit of a Google before I did this video, and I can't find it. Where's it come from? Where's it come from? I only spent like a minute or two just scrolling through, just out of curiosity. So it's a matte lipstick anyway, from wherever it comes from. And it's in a gorgeous colour. It is really gorgeous colour. I love that. That is really nice. It's definitely sort of shade I wear. Yeah, that is gorgeous. Like a berry red type of colour. That's what I describe it as. So even though I haven't got a clue where you can get it or where it comes from, I actually do really like it. So after that. Next I've got a little eyeliner, and this is by Maybelline, and it's Master Ink, and it's metallic, and it's glimmer green. I love coloured eyeliners. I really do like coloured eyeliners. So that's what the nib looks like. Do you know what? That is really nice. It looks grey, but then where the shine is, you can sort of pick up the green there. That is a really, really lovely eyeliner. Instantly I'm thinking for days where I don't want to do a dramatic winged eyeliner that I'm wearing in this video, but going for something softer like this, and maybe if I didn't want to wear the glitter in it or something, I can just like apply a little bit of powder just over the top. But no, that is nice. That is nice. It's almost like a greeny grey type of liquid eyeliner. I really like that. I do. Next I've got a product by Cougar, and this is Bee Venom Day Moisturiser to firm and revitalise, and 50ml, so it's a full-size product. So that's what it looks like there. Cougar Cosmetics have been in a few different subscription boxes, but I remember, was it a year or two ago, that they came out with £10 boxes, and you can choose, is it up to 10 items yourself? Something like that, or maybe not 10, maybe 5. I think it's 10, where you get to choose 10 items for £10, and it's over a huge range. But it just made me think, what's wrong with these products? If you're selling them like you're selling them like £1 or something like that. That was the equivalent. This is a long while ago now, so my brain is not as sharp as what it used to be. I can't remember fully. If you do know what I'm on about, please say down below. But yeah, it just made me question about the pricing, because I'm sure to buy this it's like 20, 30 odd pound or something, which you can get moisturisers and serums and stuff for that price. But then it's like the sales and constant like markdowns and stuff, it just makes you question, actually, is it really worth it in the first place? But yeah, back to this product though. I'm rambling now, aren't I? I'm rambling. Back to this product. It's a Bee Venom Day Moisturiser, so I will give that a go, see what it's like. I don't know if I've tried this before. It just says, after cleansing, smooth gently onto your face and neck using upwards and outwards movements. So yes, we got a moisturiser there. So the last product in the box, and my 9th product, and I'm sure I'm supposed to have 10. Hold on. Yeah, it's got here, the premium box contains 5 and the luxury contains 10. I've only been sent 9. Just gone through all the worms in the box and stuff, and there's no little teeny tiny product in there. So yeah, I am one down. I am gutted. Nearly £30 box and I'm only receiving 9 items. I am really gutted. I'll have to message them and tell them obviously it's a mistake because I should have had 10. Anyway, 2 sponges here, and these are by I can't say it. Duo, it just says 2 makeup sponges in a different language, and it's makeup sponge duo. I'll show you. You can see it for yourselves there. So it's by the brand NPW London. I tend to only use Nancy Beauty blenders, which I love, or sometimes Real Techniques as well. I do like them as well, and beauty blenders. those three are the ones I tend to use. These feel super stiff. Super stiff. Shall I go and dampen one down to see how it compares to this one? Just went down to the bathroom and I dampened this one down. No difference whatsoever, and I dropped it, so I got a few stains on there now. I don't know what is on there. It's dropped it on the floor. Oh gosh, maybe, I don't even want to know. Not much difference at all. It is a little bit squishy, but no, it is hard. They are really hard, so I wouldn't use these. Not for me personally. As I said at the start, I am particular. I like the Nancy, what did I say? Nancy, Real Techniques, and Beauty Blender, the actual Beauty Blenders, which is expensive. I like going to TK Maxx and getting the Nancy ones for about £4. I like doing that. But yeah, unfortunately not for me. They're just too stiff. So those are all the items. I'm just going to gather them all up. So these are all the items that I received in January's Pretty Obsessed box. This box cost £24.99 and £3.99 shipping. And I'm supposed to get 10 items, but I didn't. I got 9, so I will message them to ask. I like this box more than I did last month's, but still not enough for me to want to continue my subscription. So I am glad that I have cancelled. Maybe I might try the premium box in a couple of months' time, the one for £14.99. But it contains 5 beauty items. There's some nice things in here, like I do like the lip oil, and I do like the eyeliner, the shower gel, and the lipstick. Overall, I think this month is definitely better than last month's, and it's quite a good box, but as I said, still not worth nearly £30 for not so much value. It might well be well over £30, but value for me is in how much I use it and how much I'm excited by all the products. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Do you receive this box? Did you get anything different to me? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. Even if you think this box is not for you, I'd love to hear your thoughts about it. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.